Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. If you are new to this channel, hello. My name is Ankita and I create videos related to art and craft, painting, vlogs, travel vlogs and much more. So if you are interested, you can browse my channel. I have almost 200 videos already up on this channel. So you can browse that, watch that and decide if you want to subscribe or not. If you subscribe, welcome to the community. Let's reach to 50k as soon as possible. So it's February now and it's my birthday month and I wanted to create DIYs related to self-love. So in this video, I'll be sharing 2 DIYs or decor pieces which are related to self-love. And yeah, there is an announcement at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that and watch this video till the end. And now let's get started with this video. Namaste from the voiceover Ankita, and now we are starting with the canvas art. So first I am applying a very light yellow acrylic paint on my canvas board and spreading it out. Once the paint has dried, I am drawing some overlapping hearts of different sizes. उसके बाद I'll be filling all my hearts using different shades of pink acrylic paint. I'll let my paint dry completely and then using some permanent and paint markers I'll be adding a border to all my hearts. Feel free to check out the description box below for all the details to all the materials used in this video. After this, using Sakura Black Jelly Roll Pen, I'll be adding a quote, "You got this," on my canvas. And at this point my camera stopped recording, so I couldn't record all this writing part. Now I'm adding some shadow to my quote using white Sakura Jelly Roll Pen to highlight the quote. Done with this, now I'll be adding a silver border to my canvas and I'll be done with my first DIY. For this clay dish, I'm using white polymer clay, but you can also use air dry clay. मेरा polymer clay थोड़ा सा dry हो गया था, तो उसको बहुत अच्छे से मुझे rub करके smooth करना पड़ा. And now I'm rolling it with a rolling pin to give it a circle shape. Here I'll be using this wooden letter stamps to carve "You are beautiful" on my clay before baking it. If you are using air dry clay, carve it before the clay is dry, and if you want to write it down with pen or marker or paint, then do it when the clay has completely dried. Here's how my carving looks. Now to add more colors to my dish, I'll be adding small pieces of different color polymer clay and pressing it down on my white clay gently, and then by using a plastic rolling pin जो फारन के clay box में से ली मैंने उसको use करके I'll be pressing all these small pieces of polymer clay gently so that वो white clay में बस mix हो जाए और shape ना बिगड़े. Now it's time to bake this clay dish. So I'll be placing it upside down on an oven safe bowl like this and pressing it gently from the side to form a bowl kind of a shape or a dish kind of a shape. And here's how it looks after baking. Next, I'll be adding a gold border to this clay dish, or फिर I also added the gold paint using sponge on the surface of the dish, which I regret doing because अभी जो ये border paint करने के बाद look आ रहा था, that was I think the best for this clay dish. Gold add करने के बाद थोड़ा सा brightness कम हो गया and जो text था वो भी उतना उभर के नहीं आ रहा था. So yeah, you can decide whatever you like and paint according to that. And here's how my clay dish looks. I'm happy with that, but अगर gold paint नहीं किया होता surface पे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता. So welcome to the outro part. I'm so glad you made it till here, and I hope you like this video as well. Recreate this DIY for yourself or for your friends and family. They are very good as a gift. And yeah, I really hope you all liked it. Hit that like button if you do and comment down below your thoughts on it. And now let's move on to the announcement part. So February is my birthday month, and on my birthday I'll be posting a video, normal DIY video, but in that video I'll be giving a shout out to any art and craft channel or painting channel, something related to DIYs, art and craft. If you have a channel about that and if you want a shout out for that, you can comment down below the name of your channel and how can I reach up to you, like your email ID and what is the niche of your channel, like what are you passionate about. And the same thing I'll be doing on my Instagram as well. So if you have an Instagram account related to art and craft, painting, you can DM me on my Instagram, and I will be posting a post on my Instagram soon, and I'll be writing all the details on there how to enter that, and I'll be giving a shout out to an Instagram account as well on my Instagram. So yeah, that's it for the announcement. I hope you all are excited about that. I am very excited to follow new accounts and follow new channels. So let's grow together. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family. Let's reach to 50k as soon as possible, because I cannot do that without your help, and I need your help. So yeah, bye. Love being creative.